As a blogger, no two mornings have ever been the same. Today, I woke up in India, on one of the most beautiful cruises I've ever seen. Following my passion, I've traveled to over 100 countries around the globe. I did not know that this is what was in store for me. When you come here without knowing what to expect, you discover an instant comfort and delight for India. And of course, the breathtaking wildlife. It has left me wanting to come back to discover some more. As a writer, I know that my chapter with India has only just begun.